Okay, yeah, sounds good. Thank you.
Square? Why? What do you mean you got? What the? Door.
Right, okay.
Oh, hell no!
Bro, yo, if that blood clot girl slam the door one more time.
A Slim Jim and a water, guys. Don't slam the door. It's okay.
Ari.
Not again.
What are you doing?
You're in trouble.
Bro!
Is that a fucking joke?
Do you reckon it's fucking short?
Don't slam it!